Hello.
Let's practice English.
Do you understand English but freeze when speaking?
Yes, your mind goes blank, right?
Exactly. Why does that happen?
Wait, it's not your English problem.
What? Then what is it?
I'll tell you, but first, something embarrassing happened.
Oh no, what happened?
I was at a cafe, very normal day.
Sounds easy.
A foreigner asked me, "What do you recommend?"
Simple question.
Very simple, but I froze.
You said nothing?
I said, I suggest tea yesterday.
Wait, yesterday?
I know, it made no sense.
That's painful.
I felt so embarrassed. I wanted to disappear.
But you know English.
Yes, that's the problem.
Wait, you knew but still froze?
Exactly. Tell me honestly, this happens to you too.
Yes, many times.
You know words but can't speak.
My brain stops.
Same, so why?
Yeah, why?
I'll explain, but first, quick test. Say this with us.
I went to the market.
Come on, say it.
Again, faster. I went to the market.
Easy, right?
But in real life, you freeze.
True.
So what's the real problem?
Your brain wants perfect English.
Perfect?
Yes, no mistakes.
Oh, pressure.
Too much pressure equals no speaking.
So mistakes are okay?
Wait, I'll show you something funny. Yesterday, my friend said,
What?
"I am boring."
That means he is boring.
Yes, he wanted to say,
I am bored.
correct.
Did you understand him?
Yes, I understood everything.
So mistake, but communication worked.
Exactly. Wait, quick challenge.
Yes.
Comment now, "I am learning English."
Type it.
Don't think, just type.
Done?
Good, now listen.
So nervous equals fear of mistakes?
Yes, and overthinking.
Overthinking kills speaking.
100%. Example.
Hmm?
You want to say, "I like coffee,"
Easy.
but your brain says,
What?
"Like, liked, liking?"
Oh no. Confusion.
Then you stop speaking.
That's me.
Be honest, do you do this?
Yes, every day.
Then stop thinking too much.
But how?
Wait, I'll show you something. Imagine you were in a shop.
Okay.
You want water.
Yes.
What do you say?
Give me water?
Not perfect, but okay.
Really?
Yes, communication works. Now say this.
Can I get water?
Good.
Again?
Yes, fast.
Can I get water?
Perfect.
So simple sentences are enough.
Yes, you don't need big English.
That's a relief.
Wait, another story.
Tell me.
My cousin met a tourist.
Then?
He said, "Where you going?"
That's wrong.
Yes, but tourist understood.
Oh,
Then tourist replied, "I go hotel."
that's also wrong.
Exactly, but they talked for 10 minutes.
So both wrong, but communication worked.
Yes. Quick question.
Hmm?
Do you wait for perfect sentence?
Yes.
That's why you freeze. Say this with us.
I go office.
Again.
I go office.
Not perfect, but speak.
That feels easier. But what about grammar?
Grammar comes later.
Really?
First, speak. Wait, something funny happened.
What now?
I tried to speak fast English.
Good idea.
I said, "I am go store buy milk yesterday now."
What?
Total disaster.
But guess what? What?
My friend still understood.
That's crazy.
That's the point. Speak first, fix later.
That's powerful.
Now your turn.
Okay.
Say, "I eat food."
I eat food.
Good.
Again?
Faster.
I eat food.
Nice. Now upgrade.
Hmm?
Say, "I ate food."
I ate food.
Perfect.
This is actually working.
See? No fear. Now another situation.
Go on.
Phone call.
Scary.
You pick call.
Yes.
Person says, "Hello?"
I panic.
What do you say?
Hello, myself Alex.
Common mistake.
What should I say?
Hi, I'm Alex.
Simple.
Yes. Now say it.
Hi, I'm Alex.
Again.
Hi, I'm Alex.
Perfect.
So, what did we learn?
Speak simple.
Don't fear mistakes.
Don't overthink.
Exactly.
But wait, one last secret.
Another one?
Yes, very important.
Tell me.
Talk to yourself.
Alone?
Yes, every day.
What do I say?
Anything.
Example?
I wake up, I eat, I go.
Oh, daily life.
Yes, no pressure. Try now.
I sit here, I watch video.
Good.
This is fun.
See? Speaking is not scary. Quick recap.
Don't fear mistakes.
Don't overthink.
Speak simple sentences.
Practice daily.
Talk to yourself.
Perfect. Now one question for you.
Yes.
What sentence will you speak today?
Comment below.
And remember,
You can speak English.
just start today.